This is DJI Neo 2 Fly More combo, and today I'll show how you can repair RC and the aircraft on this drone. So to start, launch the settings, then select the control category, scroll this page all the way to the bottom, and, well, here you'll find the Repair to Aircraft option link. Tap on it, then allow some time for this process to be finished. Or actually, before you do that, you'll need to press and hold the aircraft power button for 4 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That should do the trick. And that's it. The repair has been successful. This process could be useful in events of the connection between RC and aircraft malfunctioning, so you can repair them, reestablish, should I rather say, the link between them, and make sure that they work together well, or as you expect them to. Anyway, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.